Hey guys, it's Jessie. So I wanted to come on here and make a quick video about my very first Happy Mail. Alie at Alie Artifacts, she had reached out to me a while back. She saw a couple of my videos sharing some Lion Brand mystery yarn that I received, and I absolutely loved the Summer Nights Castaway color. And she had some extra and wanted to send it to me, so very thankful for that. So she gave me 6 skeins of this yarn, which was just so nice, so nice. Thank you so much, Alie. So she sent me 6 and I already have another 6, so I'm pretty excited to try and figure out what pattern am I gonna make with these. So I will have to do some searching and figure out something pretty special to make with this yarn. If anyone has any ideas on what to make with, well, what do we have here? We have 12 skeins of Summer Nights. I believe it's a one weight. Yeah, one weight, super fine. If you have any ideas on what patterns I could make with this, I'm kind of thinking of maybe a shawl. I think that would just be gorgeous. I'm not sure if I would double up the yarn or not, but I'm so excited to find some kind of pattern to make with that. And I just had to share. So Alie had this packaged in a box, so nice and neat. She had this cute little card sitting on top and beautiful, beautiful tissue paper. I'm not going to read what's inside, but I wanted to show you the outside. It says, "Life is made of sweet moments." And this is what it looks like. I find that so sweet. And she had mentioned that she thought it would fit great with the name of my channel, Sweet Moments by Jessie. So yeah, that was so sweet of you, Alie. And of course, she gave me a cute little gift. I love it. She did a great job. I really love it. So thank you so much, Alie. I so much appreciate it. And I want to take some time also to just quick thank everyone that has subscribed to my channel, that watches my videos and gives me a thumbs up. I can't even explain how thankful I am. I'm at almost 70 subscribers. And when I started this channel, didn't know how many subscribers I would get, but I'm really enjoying it, and I thank you for being here. So hope you all have a great weekend. Take care.